I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your XB6 modem. First, carefully unbox your new XB6 gateway and confirm all components are present, including the modem itself, the power cord, and a coaxial cable. Choose a central location in your home, away from obstructions, to ensure optimal Wi-Fi coverage. This initial step is crucial for a smooth setup process and reliable internet service. Now let's connect the cables. Take one end of the coaxial cable and firmly screw it into your wall outlet. Then, connect the other end to the threaded cable in port on the back of your XB6 modem. Next, plug the power adapter into the modem's power input and then into an electrical wall outlet. The modem will begin to power on, which usually takes a few minutes. Once connected, allow the modem several minutes to fully power up. You'll see the indicator lights on the front begin to flash and then stabilize, indicating a successful connection. After the lights are solid, you can connect a device, like a computer or smartphone, to the Wi-Fi network using the credentials on the modem's label, or directly via an Ethernet cable. Then, open a web browser to complete the activation process. After activation, test your internet connection on several devices to ensure everything is working correctly. For enhanced security, we recommend changing your Wi-Fi network name and password from the default settings. If you experience any difficulties or your internet isn't working as expected, don't hesitate to consult the user manual or contact your service provider's technical support for assistance. Enjoy your new XB6 modem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.